Ki khubor ka bate si TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Basically the trust of the people. So people have the trust in the doctors, and that's why they come to our place. And this is a very, very ethical institution. So it means it's not a business focus. We believe that we give good service and the business comes second. It's not like we have this much need for money and we do healthcare service. So very, very different model. You don't see that in Max or Mynta or any other center. And because of this only, we have grown from a 30-bed center to nearly 3,000 beds right now. And patients have so much trust in our place, in our hospital network. And in fact, when we open our new centers, maybe Chennai and all, just we opening in 2-3 months only, the hospital gets full. So that much trust is there throughout the state. We wanted this to be extended to people of Northeast. So people come from Northeast for so many reasons. They come for treatments in Chennai, especially they come to Shankara, Mia, CMC, Vellore, Apollo and all. So it's a different set. But Kauvery is an entirely different brand, very unique. It's more functional like a trust actually. But we make the things viable. So why viable means that then only we can upgrade our infrastructure. We've got the best of the healthcare technology. We've got a OAM system, we've got a hybrid cath system, we've got a robo system. All these are made because we make things viable. And because of this, we're expanding as well. And the same thing we wanted to give to people of Northeast. Okay, people come here when they search for different hospitals and all. Now we thought we'll also go to their place, your place, and we'll also have a presence there. So people, like somebody wants to travel here, they have so many doubts, and they get operated here. And when they go back, they want to have some like follow-up advice and all. It will be very easier if there's a center in that region. So right now we'll start in Guwahati, but based on the need, we can definitely expand. And if there's a requirement for more diagnostics and all, it is a bit difficult to arrange diagnostics directly from here, but we'll definitely see whether we can collaborate with the regional players.
Kibor Pynjan jong Kauvery Hospital, Chennai Klapen Bana, Bakin sa Pleno, Yaga Shnat Ajing Sumar Kabathamai, Hagadilla Assam, Hauni Snem Aratar Apusan. Kanang man pensuk ikipat ba kathan chate lam mi banyo ikjing sumar haki jajing pang per hakaba kimdon kamshu banyat yakrenti ka bajangai ban poisha Chennai kakunhun kinolum khubor nakamikhalia agartala bat Assam dang shen kila yo lat ban lejngo nadu kalai tering hadu ka santri uno pra arajar apusan yakni ka hospital ban sakhi dala ki jangi khaman yikirukom ajing sumar per hakan ke Snem ajing sumar. Ringkat lang bat kinong lum kubor jengki wei pat gijela ka kunhun lum kubor jong ka bati CTV ru kelayo alat ban ya kendu bat managing director u Dr. Manivanan S bat ki doktor kibala peni yikitiar ajing sumar kibala penbiang hagi kamra jong ka Kauvery hospital na kebentaban sumar yekinong pang hagi jat jingpang pa pher.
I visited 2-3 times. I find that there is very strong bonding between directly from Tamil Nadu, the people from Tamil Nadu and Northeast. It's very the culture is very similar. Okay, though we may look different, we speak different languages, but culturally I think it is very similar culture. How we treat our parents or elders, they are all very similar, and they are very much welcome here. Okay, we don't look at them like aliens and all. We find them like part of our Tamil people. And what are they offering to our people? We want to extend the same to people from Northeast.
Kibor penya kilait ru baka Kauvery hospital kadon khat ar tali ki Shnat ajing sumar hakin riu tali kinong pa kibakunthub ya ka Chennai ka Trichy ka Hosur ka Salem ka Tirunelveli bat ka Bengaluru bat hakini ki hospital kidon 8,000 aspa san phau tam ki jingthia bat ki intensive care unit bat ki tiar puit nong pang ki balong kat kum ka juk ka Mynta. Lait huru hangi bakni ka hospital kala ajing sumar palat riu lakngut kinong pang haka Snem bat le ru palat sanspa tali ki organ transplant haka Snem. Kumban shipentip hangni bakni ka hospital kala yo ru ya ka jing ithu haka kerdan ka beningkong kum ka hospital ka ba ajing sumar ka ba pakatam shikinong pang but yo ru ya ka JCI accreditation na ka benta ki arti ki hospital kata ka Alwarpet bat ka Vada Palani bat tang hapo Snem ka Vada Palani branch kalalong ka beningkong ban yo pediang ya ka JCI 8th edition accreditation.
No unwanted medications. Okay, you can check from any doctor, any single patient. Okay, no unwanted surgeries. If a patient comes all the way here and we find that there's no need for surgery, we'll definitely not recommend surgery. Okay, some people have this thing like somebody from there would have recommended colon, some polyp is there and they want a surgery to be referred for surgery. Just because they came for a surgery, we don't do surgery. We'll just see them how we look at like for our own brother or sister. What we advise for them, the same thing will apply for every patient. Okay, that is for guarantee.
Kauvery have so many.
Please, but the main thing is the doctors. Okay, that I want to tell. We have got the best of the doctors in the country. They are all sitting here.
Kanika Hospital kadairu ka beningkong ban pediang ya ka artificial intelligence based CT imaging but pendon kamru ya ka highly advanced 4K 3D but robotic visualization technology ka basngan habale ya ka jing sumar neurosurgical ka laser angioplasty but Hakanika Hospital ka donru ya ka hybrid cath lab operating room but ka healthcare capital kum ka Shlem ajing sumar ka bayo jing ithu kum ka center of excellence Kanika Hospital ka Sumaru, Haga Jingpang, cardiology, heart and lung transplant, liver and kidney transplant, robotic surgery, Da Vinci, 4th generation system, oncology, neurology, orthopedics, but ki Jingpang bakirki. Kanika Hospital ka Donru ya ka medical clinic, balayo jing ithu ha ka international but domestic terminal, jongka ka ling sun ha Chennai.
He is humble and he has hurtful gesture. Here is a warm respect and gratitude of all people. And this also symbolizes the purity, dignity. Then I would like to call Mahesh Kumar, Dr. Mahesh Kumar. He is medical superintendent. Mrs. Kanchana and Mr. Balu, GM, Mr. Balu.
First of all, I also wanted to tell about our hospital. He's going to formally tell. Here, what we do is we not only have patients from Northeast and West Bengal and in India. We are also getting patients from Sudan, Juba, those countries also. So what we do is we take care of the patients the moment they come, get down from the airport, because we have 4 clinics in our airport, all Kauvery clinics, which is present inside the airport. So from the time they get down from the flight until they get into the flight, we take care of all their needs. It's not only the medical treatment, but for them to stay. We have a guest house, especially in our hospital name. We have a guest house with us with 20 rooms. So their stay is secured because we have our own people there, and from moving people from there to here, the transportation is being taken care of, and so we ensure that the people who come here go back very happy. That is one important key factor. So from the flight to the flight, we take care of the entire requirements. And not only that, while comparing with other corporate hospitals, we are 30% to 35% less in cost. But if you see the clinical outcomes, it is equal to them or better than them. So this is one important key thing which I thought I should share it with you.
From the inception of this unit from 2022, that is when this unit was under construction, right from that time I'm here. We last completing 4 years in just a month. Now we are in 2025, we are a 26-year-old organization now. We have 12 hospitals in the group. We have 4 hospitals in Trichy, 3 in Chennai, 2 in Bangalore, 1 in Salem, 1 in Hosur, 1 in Tirunelveli. There are more expansion plans for Chennai and also in other parts of Tamil Nadu as well. To talk about this unit, we launched in 2023. We are now a 2.5-year-old organization with focus on. We predominantly focus on cardiac science, neuroscience, renal science, gastroscience, and orthopedics. We are also developing a brand called Kauvery, under which we predominantly focus on women and child care. So obstetrics and gynecology, neonatology and pediatrics.
ಈಗ ಪೂಜ್ಯಲ್ಲೇ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್
12,000 a day. Room rent, 12,000. हार्ट एंड लंग और 11 बेड्स फॉर किडनी एंड लिवर तो इधर है और हमारा ब्लड बैंक है बहुत बड़ा ब्लड बैंक है हमारा विद ऑल अपडेटेड ट्रांसप्लांट पेशेंट रहते हैं उनको 4 दिनों इधर वार्ड में रख के फिर इधर से डिस्चार्ज करते हैं ऑब्जर्वेशन के लिए तो इसलिए हम सेपरेट आइसोलेट कर दिया एरिया को